Assalamu alaikum, dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to an IEVS homeschool, and this is Mokter Hossain, assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class 6. Dear students, our today's topic is Chapter 1, Creative Question number 1 discussion. So let's see the board. Topic: Creative Question, CQ or Creative Question 1 discussion, Chapter 1 from exercise. So let's start our today's topic. My dear students, before starting the class, I would like to say an important information for you that for creative question there is a given passage which is called STEM, and it has 4 questions. Number A, knowledgeable question or knowledge based question, which mark is 1. Number B, understanding or comprehension based question. Number C, application, and number D is higher ability. So let's start our today's topic, dear students. It is Chapter 1 from exercise. The stem or passage is: Mesbah went to his maternal uncle's home after the SSC examination. Uncle took him to the Sundarbans in Khulna for traveling. He became charmed at the pleasant sceneries of plants and cities of the Sundarbans and said to his uncle, What a wonderful creation. He asked his uncle, Uncle, are all these created by Allah or creations of the nature? Uncle made him understand, everything in this world has been created by Allah. The moon, sun, planets, stars, and these plantations, waterfalls, mass of water in oceans, all are created by the same creator. My dear students, now question. Related to this stem, there are 4 questions. Number A, write the meaning of Kalima Tayyibah. Number B, explain what is meant by Risalat. Number C, which issue of Aqaid resembles with Mesbah's question to his uncle? Explain. And number D, explain the significance of the answer of Mesbah's uncle. My dear students, listen to me carefully. Number A and B, there is no relation with this stem or the passage. Normally, number A and B comes from your textbook from the specific topic, but it may not match with the stem. But number C and D always match with the stem. And number C and D, you have to show your creativity, as it is called creative question. So you have to show your creativity. Well, let's start the answer of this creative question. Number A, write the meaning of Kalima Tayyibah. You can start like this. The meaning of Kalima Tayyibah is: there is none to be worshipped but Allah, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the messenger of Allah. And answer to the question number B, question is: explain what is meant by Risalat. The answer is: the Arabic word Risalat means message, news, letter, or conveyance of message or news. The duties and responsibilities that the messengers carry out are called Risalat. Allah has sent prophets and messengers, giving them various responsibilities. For example, inviting people to the cause of Allah, preaching the true religion, encouraging them to follow the path of truth and justice, preaching the message of Allah, etc. So The responsibilities of prophets and messengers are called risalat. Dear students, you can reduce some sentences, you can add more sentences in this question. Now question number C. Which issue of Aqaid resembles with Mesbah's question to his uncle? Explain. And the answer is, the question of Mesbah to his uncle resembles with the main component of Aqaid, which is known as Tawheed. My dear students, I think all of you understand, because Tawheed means monotheism. To believe that Allah is one and the only is known as Tawheed or monotheism. Allah is the only creator, sustainer, provider of livelihood and owner of everything. No other entity is worthy of worship except Allah. Allah himself is the only deity or ilah. Such belief towards Allah is known as Tawheed. In the stem, dear students, please listen to me carefully. In the stem, Mesbah went to visit his maternal uncle's home after the SSC examination. His uncle took him to visit the Sundarbans. Seeing the wonderful scenery of the Sundarbans, he wanted to know from his uncle whether the greenery was the creation of Allah or the nature. In response, his uncle told him that everything in this world had been created by Allah. Nothing was created on its own will. This is the main principle of Tawheed. Mesbah's question to his uncle focuses on this concept. My dear students, listen to me carefully. Starting question number C, starting should be in one sentence, and it will be the summary of the question question C. So number G is higher ability. The question is, explain the significance of the answer of Mesbah's uncle. And the answer is, the statement of Mesbah's uncle, everything in this world has been created by Allah, is absolutely correct. Allah is one and the only. He is not only one as entity, but also unique in attributes. He has no partner. None is comparable to him. He is not begotten by anyone, nor is anyone begotten by him. Allah is the possessor of all qualities. He has created everything. This statement has been indicated in the stem. Mesbah became charmed seeing the greenery and the wonderful scenery of the seashore while visiting the Sundarbans. He wanted to know from his uncle who created all this. His uncle told him that everything in this world had been created by Allah. Almighty Allah has also created the sun, the moon, the stars, the planets, and the vast water of oceans. Mesbah's uncle's statement indicated that nothing was created automatically. One creator has created all this, and he is none but Allah. So it can be said that the response of Mesbah's uncle was fully logical. My dear students, question number C and D will be matched with the stem or passage, and you will show your creativity and your own opinion, and you will explain from the lesson, from the chapter or specific topic. My dear students, now your SW. Your SW topic will be chapter 1, creative question 1, A and B. That means you will write question number A and B, not C and D. C, you will learn all the questions. You will learn all the questions properly and write A and B as your homework. So my dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood today's properly. Keep practice at your home again and again. Stay safe and well. Abide by your parents. See you again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.